On Saturn, there is curiosity and excitement for the officers gathered in the Great Hall of the Observatory, where they view a screening of images from Earth 1.
Nakita niyo yung bobong mga tagalupa? Hindi sila nararapat mamuno sa sarili nila. Susubin natin sila. Kailangan natin ng mga alipin para sa mga mina ng uranium natin.
Yun, sigurado.
Hindi yan ang paraan. Dapat makipag-usap muna tayo sa kanila.
Puta, mula sa tatlong tenga ni Neptuno. Anong palok ng tahing kaisipan yan?
Magpapadala tayo ng lupong tagakatawan para sa masidhing dialogo at ating makikita.
Phlebo, the evil prime minister of the Empire of Saturn, is in favor of invading and enslaving Earth, but he gives in to Rebek, one of the big shots in the Galactic Cooperation Society, a very influential neutral peace organization. Phlebo decides to give in until the elections to Tseps from then.
O sige, kapag hindi ubra ang pakikipag-usap, gagamit tayo ng puwersa. Kunin ang biogulaman para sa mga kaanib ng ating layunin.
Biogelatin is a boiling synthetic magma that once cooled and molded gives Saturnians about a 5-year human pseudo-life. The biogelatin is poured into humanoid molds.
Bibigyan natin ng anyong tao ang ating mga kagawad sa pakay.
Sa ganong pamamaraan, tayo ay mas kapanipaniwala.
Ang ganda! Walang kapintasan. Dalhin sila sa pangkalawakang boke at simulan na ang bilangan magbunsod.
10, 9, ignition sequence start. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Naka-Earth, makukuha din kita.
At the same time in a cafe near Naples.
Hey, look, Gino, shooting star.
What?
Gino,
Yeah.
a shooting star.
Gotta take a piss.
Go on, I'll order another bottle.
Come back, Johnny. Johnny be good.
Billoos. Another lie.
What?
Perplex you all? Baby, you can drive my car.
Go see what those guys want.
Take a look at those broads.
Wala akong naintindihan ni isa. Tawagan niyo ang himpilan.
Hello, ito ang base. Gamitin yung mga kasabayang taga-salin, mga tanga.
We friends, we help you. No burn to death if you smart and let be colonized.
You'll have to talk to the boss.
You boss of Earth, you power to conduct talks. We friends.
What you want? Don't you see him, Fuzzy?
Jeez, I'm gonna croak.
Well, you all have.
We friends. No interested? Burn up all you. You understand?
Shit, what about on that chick? Hi, hot ass.
You, hi me. You want get Saturn? So that Earthling communication sign, huh? Me too, do like that. Hi, hot ass.
You play with my ass? Why don't you play with this?
Hey, Arturo!
Like that, huh? Like that. And you know hi me, hi, hot ass.
You cunt! I'll teach you to put your paws on my guy.
Pijotas!
Faggot.
One thing follows another, and...
Hindi mo uso ang mga tao lupa. Sunugin niyo, gago!
Right!
Shit, they ain't kidding.
Me neither.
The Saturnians are trapped.
And now let's beat the shit out of him.
Who's beating the shit out of who?
You got your last chance. You take this with you.
The invasion had started.
Boom, 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 boom.
How?